There'll come a time in your swap where you have to figure out how to get power from the transmission to your rear end. In my case, I have a CTS-V rear end back here from my Mazda Miata and an RX-7 Turbo II transmission. So there's multiple pieces about a drive shaft. This is the transmission side. You need to make sure that you have full spline engagement. And on the diff side, this has its own special pattern on the yoke. There's a little lip here that makes sure that these bolts are concentric so that everything rotates the same. You need to leave enough space on this side so that when you go to pull the diff out, you can clear that lip. And in order to get the flanges, you just tell the drive shaft shop which side you have. So this is an RX-7 Turbo II transmission, and this is an NB Mazda Miata diff. In the event you already have one of the sides of your drive shaft, you want to go ahead and install a piece of it to the installed location. So with enough slop for there to still be enough room for you to get the diff out. So now you're going to measure from the center of this U-joint here, basically where this grease bung is, to the face of your diff. And in my case, it's about 31 inches. Then you call up your local drive shaft shop, give them the measurements, tell them how you measured it, and tell them which sides each piece is, so the transmission side and the diff side, and they'll whip something up for you real quick that's real well and balanced. It'll be great. And that's how you order a custom drive shaft.